Today I'm going to show you the steering aid by Simply. The steering aid by Simply is an ergonomical solution to steering your car. In order to install the steering aid, all you have to do is unscrew the nut at the bottom and take the washer, the spring washer out, and fit the steering aid wherever you like around your steering wheel. Once you got the steering wheel where you want it to go, all you have to do to fasten it is put on that spring washer and that nut and just tighten it back on. You want to make sure that it's as tight as possible and it's fastened. You could use a wrench. I don't have a wrench with me right now, but that would help a lot. And you want to make sure that the steering aid is sturdy and won't budge when you're using it. Definitely should use a wrench. Okay. And then there you have it.